So, welcome to James Mete Smart Farm. I want to talk to those farmers or anyone else with a business that is a business that you need to have money from it. When we keep business, so that we can earn money. So, a daily goat like this or a project like this one is meant to earn money. So this is a kilimo biashara. So many farmers are suffering there. They have dairy goats, they have dairy cows, but they don't post. It is my advice that as a farmer, if you have even one goat or one cow, just post and tell us how much it gives you in terms of milk production. Because you find that farmers have several goods. They have milk, but they don't post. But when it comes to commenting, they comment. So it is your duty as a farmer, if those goods are not for leisure, they are meant for agribusiness, it is my duty that you should post, make a video and tell us you have milk, you are selling goods, and in TikTok you will get customers. When I started mine, I started with one goat, and you can see I have several, more than 10 goats producing milk. A very good number of goats producing a very good number of liters. So you should always post so that others can know what you are doing. But if you don't post, then people will not know what you do. So I am concerned because the farmers who don't post their business, they suffer. But if you post in TikTok, you will find customer. Customers are looking for what you have, but you are not telling them. They will not know. So, in fact, what I have, it is smaller than the demand. The demand is high than what I have. So, please, customer or farmers, make a video of what you are doing, what you have, and if you are in agribusiness, kilimo biashara, then utapata pesa. So be my guest and thank me later.